So guys, the next function on our list is left justify, which is again known as ljust. Yeah. Now, say similar to center function, ljust method is used to left align a string with the width specified. So if the specified width is more than the length of the string, then the remaining part of the string is filled with the characters that we specify. Yeah, same as we'll use the same examples which we used for center so that we understand what happens. Yeah. So syntax for this is syntax. So syntax for this is str dot l just. Then we have the width. Yes. Same as we had for center. If we go and review my previous video, and then you have this fill character, which you need to fill for the empty spaces or the width that needs to be covered. Yeah. We'll use the same example that we used previously for center so that you can closely relate it while we are explaining it. Yeah. So what ljustify does is it returns the string modified with padding as per the number of characters that we have specified. Yes. So let me put this comment as well. I say to put yes. So this string length is the width that we specified as an integer, and then we have the fill character, the character which is again optional, and it has to be one character. Yeah. So let's try the same examples that we have used for center. So this time I use L width. So I have eyes can analyze, which is again 14 characters in length. I am putting the width as 20 and I'm replacing the other characters by 20 by dollar. Yes. Left justify. Yes. Let's see what happens. So you'll see it has left justified my text and taken all the characters which are remaining 6 characters which I do not have anything on has been filled. The padding has been done with the dollar sign. Previously in center, if you go to my previous video, you can see this $6 signs were being placed on both sides, three each. Wherein in left justify, it has been placed on the right hand side of the string so that the string get left justified. Yes. So this particular thing you can see on the right, we have got the all the dollar sign. Yeah. Let's try to use an alphabet. Yeah. Or we do not use anything. Yeah. It will automatically put. Let me use the same thing that we are used. Let me use alphabet, padding with an alphabet. Yeah. Let's use the same example so that we can compare things as such. That is why I'm trying to put the syntax remains the same. You try and understand center, L justify or right justify. All syntax remains the same. Only thing that change is the function name. Yeah. So that's why I'm using the same code so that you can understand what is the difference that is happening. So you can see that it has replaced alphabet as well. Yeah. We'll see whether if you do not put any optional characters, if you do not put any alphabets or do not put the fill char. Yeah. I do not have the no padding with. fill care. Okay. Let me write the same comment here, which I have not mentioned properly. Yeah. So we did no padding this time. So there are six spaces that would get added, but we'll not see it. Yeah. If we scroll your, we try to select, oh no, not center. I need to change the function. Yeah. Now, if we try to select this particular text, you'll see there are six characters at six space added at the end. Yeah. To make it left justify. By default, space is added if you do not give any characters to it. Yeah. Same way, what was the other option that we checked for is okay, if the parameter width is less than so it will remain as it is. We'll check whether ljustify follows the same thing. So it will give me the original string without any padding. So there is no padding here. If I try to select anything, there are no spaces being added as well. Yes. Lastly, if we try to put the same thing, if we put multiple characters uh, in the fill char, it will again give an error. Yeah. So whether it be center, whether it be left justify, it follows the same thing. Yeah. Now, if uh, suppose I am inputting a dictionary. Yeah. This I mostly use in a practical case scenario. I use it for dictionary where I want to align my text on the left. But I want it to be left justified, and it has to be. It has to have specific padding ahead of it so that it shows me the right answer. So suppose I have a dictionary. I'll give you an example where I use it so that you'll understand where it comes from when I'm trying to pad something. So suppose I have a dictionary. I just put a dictionary which is having the name as Nilesh. and Okay, and I have my age as 30. Yeah, and my qualification. I'll just put it this way. Okay, already. Qualification as MSc. Yeah. So I have this dictionary and I want to iterate it through my keys, which you have seen through my while loop thing, how to iterate to dictionary. Yeah. In dictionary dict dot items. Yeah. Now, if I want to print this with justification, left justification, I use it this way. So I use just 6 comma space. Yeah. And then I put the and then I have the values of the string value. Yes. So if I try to print this, made a mistake somewhere. Keys value in dict dot items expected is oh, I have not specified. Okay. Now where I have gone wrong. str keys. I have added the string. I have closed the string. I have added here. So the print is proper having this. Where am I going wrong? Am I going wrong somewhere? Okay. Quotes within quotes. You need to be very careful. Yes. Let's see now. Okay. Am I doing something wrong? str keys dot ljust. This is perfect. 6 comma space. I have padded it with space, comma. I have separated the values by and then I have added str dot value. That's it. I guess everything is right, but still it is giving me some incorrect thing. Let me see what it is giving. For keys, comma, value in dict dot items. So I have my items properly arranged. Yes, codification. Let me write dict dot keys. Yeah, it is right. And if I have to value, yeah, it is giving me the right values as well. I'm just checking whether it is assigning keys, comma, values in the, let me see if it, okay, dot value. I just take it this way. Let me directly use the dict dot keys and dict dot value. Let me see if this works. No, it is still giving me error. How is it? So I've converted it to a str string. That is perfect. This is how you learn, guys. So if I have to explain this error, I'll ask Google if he can explain me this error using uh, the AI functions. It will think about what is being doing wrong, and it will give me an what am I supposed to do. You see this? It is telling me what should I do. I can just print this particular function and I would write it here. Let me see if this gives me an output. No, it is still not giving the output that is required. Yeah. So let me stick to my original code, that is for keys, comma, values in dict dot items, print key, comma, values. See this? Yeah. So I'll say key dot what was that? Just yes. And I have padded it with 10 characters. Yeah. 10 spaces. Let's see if it works now. See this? And suppose I have a colon in between. Let's see if this works. This one does not work because I have not added a comma. Let me make the padding to 30 so that where I use it, this is where I use it. Yeah. So you can see these are properly aligned now. Yeah. This is how I use ljust or right just to right justify my or left justify my strings to align them properly as per my requirement so that my output looks clean. Yeah. Hope you like this video and the troubleshooting as well in this video. Uh, do like, subscribe, or comment on this particular code to give your views. Do subscribe to my channel so that you get more such videos, uh, detailed thing which you'll have a easy way of learning. Thank you so much.